What's up, everyone? I hope you have stay safe from the COVID. Today we're going to do the video is right there. It's called a humidifier. That's the humidifier. Yep, that's kinda so runs up about 16 hours. So I'm going to show y'all guys how to fill up with water. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, once again I got GoPro on my head. First thing, you take the top off. So Olivia, if you're watching this, this will show you how to set up excuse me, I got hiccups here. So you take the top off like this. Now take it to the kitchen. Look at the Christmas tree, guys. Ooh, excuse me. Got hiccups here.
Where are you going with this thing on your head?
I just made a video how to set up the humidifier. First you rinse it like this. Like the first, you fill the water. Wait till the line, the blue line, gets full. Okay, it goes up. There we go. We don't want it too much filled up like this. Like just lay this level sideways. I'm gonna take it easy. Okay, now once again, if you already put water in there, is grab the top and close it and plug it in. You're ready to go. I hope that helps y'all guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'm happy to do it. So thanks for watching, and also be safe from the COVID, guys. Thanks for watching.